are responsible for your life. And if you're sitting around waiting on somebody to save you, to fix you, to even help you, you are wasting your time.
Hello guys, Ninjani. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Igama lam dung Azana Jezile, and I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. It's a good time here, I promise. Also, please do turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I post a video. And also, we are monetized on the channel, so thank you so much to each and every one of you who has watched my videos, liked my videos, engaged with my content, shared my content. Thank you so much. I am so grateful. So let me not waste any more of your time. Let us get right into the video. As you can already see from the title of this video, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to whiten your teeth at home. And I'm pretty sure you already have these ingredients in your house. It is so easy. My teeth were looking a little bit dull, a little bit dingy, more on the yellow side. I did not like that, and I'm going to show you guys how I whitened my teeth right at home. I'm going to show you guys what you need, how you mix it, what you do. I'm going to give you guys all the details. So the ingredients that you're going to need is obviously your toothpaste. It doesn't matter which toothpaste, any toothpaste works for this. You don't need any particular toothpaste. You're also going to need baking soda. I struggle with this quite a bit because I didn't know what baking soda was. If you are in South Africa, it's called bicarbonate of soda. So that's basically the baking soda, not baking powder, bicarbonate of soda. And then you're going to need salt. I'm pretty sure you have salt, and you can make this paste with only the toothpaste and the salt. But if you want to take it up one step, a notch, then you can sprinkle some baking soda, and then you make a paste, and then you brush your teeth. Personally, I don't do this every single day. I do this a couple of times a week, maybe once or twice a week. I don't recommend that you do it every single day because it can make your tooth enamel weak. So rather do it once or twice a week. You're still gonna see results. It does brighten up your smile. Yeah, you basically just mix the paste, and then you brush your teeth a couple of times a week as you normally would. You rinse, and then that's pretty much it, and the results are amazing. That is pretty much it, you guys, for this video. Thank you so much for watching, for engaging, for commenting, for subscribing. I am so grateful. As you guys can see, the skin is skinning. I want to be sharing a lot more skincare content on my channel, also some weight loss content, so be on the lookout for that. Make sure that you are subscribed, make sure that you turn on your post notifications so that you do not miss out. 2022, we're glowing up. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon in my next video. Bye bye.
Only you have the power to take responsibility to move your life